Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
What did we get?
Little canvases, a fan brush, some acrylic paint, another fan brush, white titanium white.
With a titanium white.
We got some, what are those called? Canvases. Couple professional painting things. Some, what are they called? Palette. Nope. Yeah. Paddle brushes. Thanks, Jordan. And more acrylic paint. And then some more fan brushes. Not quite sure what's happening, but I don't want this to like get stuck in my paint.
Hey, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. I thought today we'd do a painting that just has a lot of color in it, one that'll make you feel good inside.
Very thin, even coat of liquid white. So the candy.
Liquid white? We don't have liquid white.
I've given up.
Oh my god. Jesus, a light coat of...
Look at what you used!
I haven't used it all.
Wonder if he uses artist on. Probably not.
Probably not. He probably uses the most expensive paint and it's sponsored.
Into a small amount of the Indian yellow.
Indian yellow. Definitely not enough.
To it, just little cross strokes.
Oh no!
Okay, now without.
Oh, she's green. Oh no, he said avoid green. Let's see that technique. Oh, yes.
Ooh, they don't look like clowns.
Meh. Details. Okay, well, messed her up, but that's okay. Oh, yours are good. Look at the dimension. Okay.
So good. Goodbye, cloud over here. We didn't want you anyway. And then take some pure titanium white.
With a titanium white.
Jesse, I don't.
Oh, I did it all wrong. Because it's supposed to be the sun, and my sun's over here. So it would highlight this side. Whatever.
Mine looks like Bob painted it drunk with a lot of extra paint.
Kind of the sky there is now.
Okay.
Maybe there's a little.
Start with a line. How far away is he?
Happy little tree.
Happy little tree.
Happy little tree.
Happy little tree.
No.
What?
I used brilliant red instead of crimson red.
What's the difference?
It's not crimson.
Looks good.
Happy little tree.
Happy little tree.
Sky.
Oh, hold on. Back.
Just a little path.
Okay. Let's do it.
It's a happy little mistake.
It's not a mistake. It's perfection.
Okay.
Bob's.
Oh no. Oh no.
I've certainly enjoyed our time together, and I hope you try this one. From all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting, and God bless, my friend.
We did it!
Uh-huh.